Hey everyone! Taking your Replit project and putting it on the Google Play Store is a huge milestone. Since Replit apps are primarily web-based, the process in 2026 involves wrapping your live Replit URL into an Android-native package, AAB, that Google can distribute. Step 1. Making your Replit app public. We're starting inside your Replit workspace. We're heading to the Publish button at the top right of the screen. We do this to deploy your app to Replit's infrastructure and generate a permanent live URL. Click Publish. Choose your deployment type. Autoscale is usually best for apps, and follow the prompts to make it live. Copy your new public URL, e.g. https://yourapp.replit.app. You need this link for the next step. Step 2. Converting via median.co. Now we're heading to the App Studio. We do this to wrap your Replit URL into a native Android shell that can be installed on a phone. Paste your Replit URL into the website URL box and give your app a name. Upload your app icon and splash screen in the Branding tab. To download the final Android app bundle.aab file, you will need to select a plan and complete the subscription/payment process. Median will then generate the high-quality files required by Google. Step 3. What happens next on Google Play Console? We're finishing at the Google Play Console. Once you have your .aab file from Median, here is the roadmap to the store. You must have a verified Google developer account, a one-time $25 fee. In 2026, Google requires strict identity verification for all new developers, 4.5. You will fill out your store listing, including descriptions, screenshots, and your privacy policy URL. For new personal accounts, you must run a closed test with at least 20 people for 14 days before Google allows you to apply for production, 1.1. Once testing is complete, you submit your app for app review. Google's team checks it for safety and policy compliance. Once approved, your app will be live on the Play Store globally. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.